Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious arroz con leche. It's perfect for this weather and it's so delicious. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to start off by setting our pot on medium heat. And I'm going to add 3 cups of water. I'm also going to add 2 cinnamon sticks and a piece of orange peel and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we cover it up. Once it's boiling, we're gonna add 1 cup of rice. I'm using jasmine rice. Make sure you wash your rice, that way you'll get rid of the excess starch. Stir it a little, cover it up, and lower the heat. We're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes or until most of the water has dried up. It's been 7 minutes and I'm gonna check on the rice. As you can see, most of the water has dried out and the rice is already a little bit soft, so this is a perfect time to add in our milks. I'm gonna add 3 cups of whole milk. We're also adding 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and last, a splash of vanilla extract. We mix it. We're gonna leave it cooking on low heat for another 20 minutes and stir it occasionally so your rice doesn't stick. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and our arroz con leche is now ready. I'm gonna remove the orange peel and the cinnamon sticks. And now I'm gonna serve myself a cup of arroz con leche. And last, we're gonna top it off with a dash of cinnamon. And there you have it, delicious arroz con leche. All right, guys, moment of truth. The weather is just perfect for something like this. It's so creamy and delicious. And takes me back to when I was little. My mom used to make it all the time. Cheers! Super delicioso. So creamy, perfect. It's so good. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!